Good evening everyone, welcome back to another Oliver's Cars and Reviews YouTube video where you join me here underground here at the Woolworths Maryborough underground car park for the OCAR and SMP Skyler Marsh Photography underground car meet. So this is going to be absolutely amazing. As you can see, got the big flag up and in there's going to be heaps of cars. So cannot wait for this to start. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So let's get to the cars, shall we? This should be a pretty fun night here in Maryborough, here at the Maryborough Woolworths for the OCAR Maryborough underground car meet. OCAR. Let the underground meet commence. Hey, go. Hey, Bella. Righty. We've got Craig here with his HK panel van, Holden. Looks awesome. Hey Craig. Yeah, underneath. There's Phil and Sarah and their MPS. Alright Phil. Here we got the Bowl. Peter and his Bobo. Hey Pete.
Yeah, mate.
Good, thanks.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Looks good. We got Phil and Tina. Hey Phil, hey Tina. We got Steve. Hey Steve. We got Heather. Hey Heather. I love the Focus Cabriolet. Cameron, how you going? Oh. All right. Jacob and his Mark 4 Supra and Ava. Yo, Jacob. Hey Mike. Good. We got Dion here with his 55 Chevy wagon. Dion, how you going, man? Alright. Good. Park anywhere. Hey bro, park anywhere, man. Hey Mike. Nice ute. Mark II Falcon ute. Hey mate. Looks good. It's Shane with his Hyundai Accent Sport. Hey Shane.
Hey.
Park anywhere you like, dude. Park anywhere you like, man. Hey bro. Good, thanks. SCIBRZ. Hey! Danny! Ben's VS looks amazing. Stop! SBS. Very nice. Awesome. Tough AU. American Muscle. Awesome, that is awesome, that is. I love that. Awesome. Oh, awesome. Let's go. Shelby leaving now. See you, Shelby. Nice storm. That is awesome. I like that. Very nice. Craig leaving now. There, Craig. Awesome. See you, Code. See you, Bella. See you, Bella. See you, mate. Yeah. See you, Dale. See ya. See you, Ben. See you, Ben. See you, Cameron. See you, Clayton. Oh, wow. See you, Ed. Oh, no. Nice. Nice to do here. See you, Phil.
Oh, I've ruined that photo.
We've got a few cars. We've got Ben's beautiful rig. We've also got this thing, Lexus 200. Also got a very nice Mazda 3 MPS we've got here. That is awesome. Owned by Phil and Sarah. Ben with his VL. Very nice. Ben McLucas. We also got this one. Very nice Subaru X. We also got Dale here with his amazing S14 Slayer Sexpec car. Love it. This car is from Bundy, the VZ. Love that. Also got Bella here with her beautiful Sleeker. Thanks, Bella, for coming. We also got Cody here with his amazing Mercedes-Benz. Very amazing, that is. And we also got an Impala SS. Love this thing so much. That looks fantastic, that car does. SVS, that looks cool. Caprice. AE Falcon. Chaser. Like the Chaser. We got another Chaser. That's a nice Chaser, I like those. We also got another Falcon. That's a XR6 Turbo Ford Falcon Mark II. Also got a Mark II FPV GT owned by Cameron, pushing over 500 horsepower now. Thank you for Cameron for turning up. Nice Lancer. So got a Ford Focus Cabrio, which I do like. That's not bad at all. We've got an EA Falcon. That looks nice. I don't mind the EA, so they look awesome. And we also got a Kenny. Hey Kenny, how you going, mate? With his XP Falcon. Thank you so much for coming. We've got a Bowwell. I like the Bowwell. And we also got Phil and Tina here with their beautiful HT Ute over here. Amazing. Got the Chev leaving. See us. Awesome. Got the Caprice leaving, SVS. That looks tough. Kenny and his XP. Awesome. Tough AU. That looks wicked. See ya. Here's the boat leaving. Awesome. That is a cool car. Is Dion leaving now? See you, Dion. Skyler leaving now. See you, Skyler. Have a good night, dude. Awesome, Caldino. See you, Phil. See you, Tina. And so everyone, this concludes Oliver's Cars and Reviews for the OCAR and Skyler Marsh Photography Woolworths Underground Car Meet. So this has been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for everyone who came and participated. It was absolutely amazing, and there's still more cool cars leaving the vicinity, so absolutely unreal. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell down below as well. Make sure to follow all of my socials as well, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. But anyways, this is Oliver's Cars and Reviews, and we'll see you all in that next video. Cheers everyone, OCAR signing out.